all the teachers to come up to the stage. Principal also, could you please come up to the stage? Principal, kindly step forward. Principal, kindly step forward. Our respected principal, you are the kindest and most generous person we ever met. You looked and took care of after-school administration with satisfaction. You are a truly great principal who is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. Thank you for making the school feel like our home. Ma'am, please step forward. Ma'am, from the day you start teaching your subjects, English 2 and Hindi, we are so fortunate and happy to say that we understand and learn many new things and gain more knowledge from your subject. Your teachings and explanations are beyond perfection. May you live long so that our school will gain more knowledge from you. You are one of the most likable teachers of our class. Please step forward. Miss Twangy, will you please step? Miss Wipui, will you please step forward? You are one of the most elegant, competent teacher, a teacher who understands and look after the students with love and care. May you always be the person you are today. Will you please step forward? You are a teacher who teaches the students with hard work and dedication, who cares for the students, especially in times of sickness. We are so proud to have you as a teacher. Miss Jimmy, will you please step forward? Although you are not too good-temperedly to us, you tried your best for the upliftment of our school and also for the betterment, especially regarding our characters. Though we do not know how well you teach, we can clearly see it from your class that you work really hard and tried your level best, especially in your studies. May you continue to work hard as always. Thank you. Miss Someday, will you please step forward? You are the teacher whom we all gazed at from the first time you stepped into our school. You are kind, generous, gorgeous, and we are so proud to have you as a teacher. You are the teacher whom our class boys have a huge crush on. Miss Mommy, kindly step forward. You are a teacher who not only teaches us our lessons, but who tries to mold and share our characters so that we can become a better person. Although you took our class period a little longer than usual, the words and deeds which you have spoiled about doesn't make it boring. In fact, those words makes us want to become a better version of ourselves. You are a good English and Mizo teacher. Thank you. Chaltlang, kindly step forward. You are one of the most fun and happy person who never failed to entertain us. A teacher who is always so excited to come to our class. You are a teacher who is so generous and kind. May you continue to remain the same as today. Thank you, Andrew, please step forward. You are one of the most fun-loving person who always entertain us with your funny jokes. You are a teacher whom we feel free to talk to and always be the kind and generous teacher like you always do. Thank you, sir. Miss Esther, kindly step forward. Hope the other teachers won't be envious of Miss. Out of all the teachers of our school, you are the best teacher who worked so hard inside out for us, who loved us so much. You are a teacher who looked and take care of all the students exactly the same whether they are a friend or not. You look after us as if we are all your siblings. You taught us every single detail of the goods and bads. We will not be able to give you back what you have done for us, but always remember that we love you so much and that you are so precious to us. We will not forget you till our last breath. We found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love, everything in one person, and that person is you. Thank you, Miss, for sticking with us and always being there for us. Thank you. Our respected principal and Madam, could you please step forward and cut the cake. Wait, all the students stand up. We will all say Happy Teacher's Day together. 1, 2, 3. Happy Teacher's Day! Principal and ma'am, kindly step forward. Give each other a cake.
My dear students, we are very thankful today. You surprised me so much. Thank you.
On behalf of all the teachers, we are so thankful. You really surprised us, and we are so thankful for your heartwarming speech. This isn't just a cake. Okay, this is hard work and dedication, effort you put behind this cake, and we are so thankful once again. And I'm so proud that you are my class.